Hi. So, day 3 of the New Zealand lockdown from beautiful Kerikeri. I'll show you. That's my view. I have a confession. I finished this last night. I sorry I couldn't wait. I finished it with that big ball that I'd pulled out from the scarf and a beautiful velvet, two-tone velvet edge. So I'm sorry I couldn't wait to show you, but it's done. And yeah, I thought I might show you how to start your own. So I've got a size 5 crochet hook and a ball of knitting yarn from the Emporium because they have some good prices, and I want to use in this one I want to use something that can be thrown in a washing machine if it gets dirty. It can be soft and comforting and not prickly, and it's yeah, the yarns these days are far nicer than the polyester nylon stuff you used to get. Anyway, I'll show you how I start. So in general, I take the thread from the center of the ball, and that way you're always getting the cleanest part of the wool. But I think that's the reason you do it. My mum always did it that way. So if I have a chance, I take the middle out and do it. So I make a loop. So like finger knitting, just do a loop. And then I do 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now a chain is just looping the yarn around the the hook, and then pulling it through the already created hole that you've got to start with.